My people, look at another yummy banga soup from Share with Love Kitchen. Oh, all this now the ingredients where I want use to cook this banga soup. I have my fish. Oh, look at that one, fish from Nigeria, crayfish. I have dry prawns. I have raw prawns. Okay, as you can see, and that meat I don't already cook the meat. Inside that meat I have momo. I have a smoked turkey neck. I have another meat inside, and this one are the pepper where I want use. Inside this pepper I get dry pepper, I get onions, I get banga spice, I get crayfish. I blend everything together. Then this one are the banga where I want use. Okay, you know say Oboland we know they see fresh banga, we will use the one with the inside can. That one where I show now just an be maggi, and this one are salt, and this one are the banga spice where my sister-in-law bring up for me. You see the bottle big well, I see they use them. It never finish. That banga spice, if you use that take cook banga soup, oh na elele. These are all the ingredients where I want use. Oh, this video where they do so, this one where they use broken, this one was inspired by Mary Enogwe, also Mary's Word. She challenged me to use my broken English to make a video. Okay, the video don't here. I was supposed to do this video long time ago, but nevertheless, okay. Now here is my banga, the banga soup, banga where I want use. This banga, what I go do now? I'll come pour her inside a clean bowl. The reason why I want pour her inside clean bowl because you know see all this banga what they buy for here where they already processed. For the bottom, sometimes sand they inside. I'll come pour them for inside bowl. Then I'll use hot water. The hot water already boil. Mona careful, mona not burn a hand with hot water. I'll come pour them inside. I'll come mix them together. Okay. As you can see, that is very hot. I did try my best. Me I not burn my hand, but thank God say I not burn my hand. Okay. I can't use another water. I'll rinse the cup. Okay. Before you open your banga can, make sure you wash the banga. Okay, you see the reason why you have to wash your banga can first, because this kind of accident fit happen. Thank God say I wash the banga can before I open her. What here they do here, I they try to mix the banga, make the thing dissolve so that if there's any sand, everything will go to the bottom of the plate. Okay, una do well, my brothers and my sister. Una do well when they watch my video all the time. I just want to say una thank you so much for watching my video. For all those people where they share my video, God will bless una. And for all my people where still join my membership, God will bless una. Thank you so much, every one of you. May God bless you guys. Okay, as you can see now, the water where I put, I like this. I don't want me too day watery because you don't want your banga soup to make it too watery. Now I can't take my strainer. I can't pour inside strainer. Use the pot where I want to cook her, so that me I for drainer. Then if there's any excess, any sand at the bottom, thank God say this banga good well because some kind of time some banga they get sand. What I can't do, I can't put them for fire, make it boil for about 3 minutes. Okay, you see as they boil right now. What I can't do right now, I try to position the pot properly. Okay, now I can't pour all my blended pepper. Inside that pepper I get crayfish, I get banga spice, I get onions, I get pepper, hot pepper with pepper well. I get crayfish and I can't blend everything together with the banga spice. Now I pour them for inside the banga. What I can't do, I'll let her make it cook a little bit. Okay, I'll let her make it cook a little bit. I can't add my my prawns. The reason why they had the prawn right now be say because the prawns now raw one, okay, e never cook. Not be, you know, sometimes they get the one way up pre-cooked, but this one a raw one. That make me the harder inside right now because I want make this thing cook. We don't want eat food way not done, okay. I just put it inside so that it will cook, okay. I will cover now, make it cook for 5 minutes, okay. I'll cover and make it cook for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, yeah, the tea does they come together. Oh my goodness, the house does they smell good small because of the aroma of the pepper soup spice, okay. Now what I will do here right now, I dey try to stir them together. That is what Oyibo they call stir, turn. I dey turn them together. What I can't do now, see this fish wey dey here. So this fish I wash them well. I wash them with hot water. I soak them for almost 1 hour. Soak them, I watch them, make sure say all the dirty, because where this fish from they come, if far well all the way from Nigeria. Now no say Nigeria far from here. Now I don't wash the fish clean well. I come put them for inside this banga soup right now. As you can see, my brothers and my sister, this banga soup sweet. Is sweet, that is sweet, eh? Not be say I dey lie. This banga soup sweet. As I don't put the fish for inside now, what I can't do, I can't put the rest of the meat because I already cooked the meat. So the meat is already almost done. I can't put the meat inside, okay. Make everything for kukuma done together, both the fish and the meat. Make everything done together. Make the banga soup enter inside the meat well. May it also enter inside the fish well. As you can see me right now, I can't add my dry prawns, okay. This one, it will make the flavor come out yummy again. I had my dry prawns, okay. What I can't do again, I can't add my meat, okay. I had my smoked turkey neck, okay. I like, if you dey America, they always they sell smoked turkey neck for farmers market. I love smoked turkey neck. Then I can't add the smoked turkey neck. I dey had the rest of my meat. I had pomo dey inside there, a little bit beef dey inside there. Then gizzard, I still put some gizzard to cook this banga soup, okay. As you can see, I dey pour the meat inside and the sauce they put it inside. May as you guys can know, we have to cook with care. We have to take attention when you are cooking, okay. Now I can't dey stir them together, okay. I can't dey stir them with my woody stick together. As you can see me. Oh, my brother, my sister, una do well. If you are new to this channel, if today na the first time where you dey come across my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. I beg make you subscribe. Oh, as you can see right now, what I dey do now, I dey add more crayfish. Oh, I love crayfish. Now I can't add another banga spice. I think I remember that banga spice where I showed at that time. I can't add 1 teaspoon inside. Now this one where I just showed now where the green, so that one a Maggi. I can add 2 teaspoons of Maggi, as you can see. Then I can add 1 teaspoon of salt to it too, okay. Then what I can do, I can turn it together after I don't add all those mede inside, that Maggi, that salt, and that banga. Oh, my brother, my sister, that banga spice, that thing, eh? Oh, my house they jolly. My house they smell the whole kitchen, they smell good. Oh, this soup, this banga soup, okay. You can eat this banga soup with starch. You know, me now, it's Chekiri man now married. They love starch, and we do still love starch. What I use this soup to eat now, better starch, okay. If you want to eat it with pounded yam, you can see eat it with pounded yam. But see, guys, now look at this food and this soup. You see. Look at, see as the thing they boil. You see how this food they boil. Oh my goodness, the whole house they smell banga soup. Everywhere they smell banga soup. That fish, oh, that fish where I put for inside. It made the thing. It carried this soup go Harvard University. Well, I don't know that highest university where in America. this soup go that place. So now then this soup, man, now do well, my brother and my sister. Now I dey try to turn the soup small because I know what make all those fish make them scatter, okay? Because you want, if you dey eat your food, may you dey see that fish inside, okay? Right now I'll come add this leaf, my brother and my sister. This leaf, they call am belle tete. If you are from Delta State, this leaf na belle tete, okay? Now they call am. Ichekiri people, Delta people, they put this leaf for all their banga soup. Now they put inside. Right now I'll come turn it together, I'll come stir it together, I'll come cover and make it cook for another 5 minutes. The food done ready, my brothers and my sister. It no dey take away, it no dey stay well like that. Once you don't fit boil the meat, the meat done, you are good to good. Our food done ready. Like, this food was so yummy, was so delicious. I cover and make cook for another 5 minutes again. See the soup, see how the food they make potok. Oh, who they hungry? Who they hungry? There, are you guys hungry? If you are hungry, say yes at the comment section. Leave comment. I will just post your own wherever you dey. If na Europe, or if na Japan, or if na Asia, or I will post your own give you. Una do well. Thank you so much, my brothers and my sister, for watching this video. This language where I use, so my friend, my sister Mary Enogwe, Mary's word. Now she challenged me I use my broken English to do this video. My brother, my sister, una do well. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Oh, I really appreciate you guys. If you are new to my channel, I beg subscribe. Oh, subscribe to this channel. Maybe for see more of this cooking. Now they give you more amazing cooking from my kitchen to your house. I really appreciate you guys. The food already, see, once you started to see oil on top of your soup, that means say your banga soup done ready. Oh, okay, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Oh, may una give me thumbs up. Okay, bye everyone. I love you guys. I'll see you people on my next video. Bye.